All right, everybody. Well, we are here today, and I've got extra helpers today. So I've got my son Grant, and I have my daughter Quinn. Can you say hi? Hi. All right, and today we're going to be making coconut macaroons, and they are super simple and super delicious. And I'm going to have my helpers get started here. So why don't we open up a banana? You want to open one? Here.
Here
we go. Oh, this one might be a little
underripe.
This one's ready.
This one's ready.
You want some help? Here, just pull the top. Good, guys. All right, then we are going to take our coconut, and today I am using unsweetened coconut, but I don't know. I think it's a preference. Use whatever you want. All right, and I'm using 2 cups. Okay, together. Good job, guys. All right, and I am just going to mix this.
I'll stir it.
You want to do a couple stirs? Okay, you can do it. Want some help? Get under. Woo!
Ow.
Are we flipping it around?
Ow.
Here, you can do a little bit, and then Mom will do it, okay? Ooh, careful. Now our sweetener is going to be some honey. So it calls for one teaspoon for each banana used. So we are going to do 3 teaspoons. Jacqueline, look out, baby.
I'll just do it.
No, put your hands up. This is very sticky.
It's very sticky.
Here, what if she can pour it in, Graham? You have to fill that
Ready?
all the way up.
It is all the way up.
Good job. There's 1.
Okay.
All right, looks good.
Mommy,
So now you can use parchment paper, you can use a mat. We just sprayed it down with cooking spray, with baking spray. And so what we're gonna do, yeah, well we have to scoop them into cookie size.
I'm holding it in
Thank you, honey.
And then you just put them.
so it doesn't move.
You want to grab that spray too?
Mommy, guess what I said?
Right down.
Bacon!
Yeah.
Mom, can I do? Mom, can I?
Hold on. Yep, Grant's gonna scoop that out. Make sure it's all covered. Now just lightly.
Now it's all covered.
Lightly. Watch this. Scoop them out, Grant. Oh gosh, that's a bit much, honey.
That's a lot.
Okay, go like this. Just lightly on the top.
Can I do it, Mommy?
Good job. Good job, honey. we want to flip them halfway through. So we're gonna set our timer for 10. Set our timer for 10, and then we will be back. All right, here they are. Those look great. All right, look at these guys. These look really good consistency. So we're gonna let them cool down a little bit, and then we are going to eat them. All right, and we are back with our official taste tester. What do we have here, Grant?
Coconut macaroon cookie things.
Okay, have you ever tried these before?
No.
No. All right, so let's do it.
Oh my gosh. This is good.
So good. So good. Winner, winner.